One credit card application can quietly drop your credit score by up to 10 points in seconds. No missed payment, no debt, just applying. And most people find that out only after it's already happened. Before you tap Apply Now on that card, watch this. One credit card application can quietly drop your credit score by up to 10 points in seconds. No missed payment, no debt, just applying. And most people find that out only after it's already happened. Before you tap Apply Now on that card, watch this. Here's the problem. Credit card applications feel harmless. It's just a form, right? 2 minutes, maybe a slick sign-up bonus dangling in front of you. So people apply first and think later. But every application triggers something called a hard inquiry, a formal check into your credit file, and that check leaves a mark, whether you get approved or not. Apply for the wrong card at the wrong time for the wrong reasons, and you can end up with a lower credit score, a card that doesn't fit your life, and a hard inquiry sitting on your report for up to 2 years. The real problem is that most people research the rewards and skip researching themselves, their own credit profile, their own spending habits, their own timing. That's where costly mistakes happen. This matters more than people think for 3 reasons. First, your credit score affects almost everything financial in your life. The interest rate on a car loan, whether you get approved for an apartment, sometimes even job background checks. A few careless applications can nudge that number down right when you need it most, like right before applying for a mortgage. Second, getting rejected isn't just embarrassing, it still hits your credit report as an inquiry, and rejections can stack up if you're applying based on hope rather than actual eligibility. Third, the wrong card can quietly cost you money for years through fees you didn't expect, an interest rate you didn't check, or rewards that don't match how you spend. 10 minutes of checking beforehand can save you from a decision you're stuck with for the next 12 months or more. Let's look at 2 people applying for the same card. Person A is about to buy a house in 4 months. Excited about a card's sign-up bonus, they apply anyway. That hard inquiry, plus a new account with no credit history yet, drops their score right before their mortgage application. Their lender quotes a slightly higher interest rate because of it, a difference that ends up costing far more over the life of the loan than any sign-up bonus could ever repay. Person B is in the exact same situation, house hunting in a few months, but pauses. They check their score, realize applying now is risky, and simply wait until after closing on the house. Once the mortgage is locked in, they apply for the same card with 0 downside. Person B is in the exact same situation, house hunting in a few months, but pauses. They check their score, realize applying now is risky, and simply wait until after closing on the house. Once the mortgage is locked in, they apply for the same card with 0 downside. Same card, same bonus. One person paid for it in higher loan costs, the other got it for free, just by checking timing first. Here's exactly what to check before you apply for any credit card. Step 1. Check your current credit score first. Most banking apps show this for free. If your score is on the lower end for the card you want, you're more likely to get rejected and take a hit for nothing. Step 2. Look up the card's actual approval requirements. Search the card name plus credit score needed. If you're well below the typical range, hold off and build credit first instead of gambling on an application. Step 3. Read the interest rate, the APR, not just the rewards. If there's any chance you might carry a balance some months, the interest rate matters more than any point multiplier ever will. Step 4. Check for an annual fee and what it actually requires to break even. Would you realistically hit the spending or usage needed to make that fee worth it? Step 5. Check your timing against any major life event. Buying a home, a car, or applying for a lease in the next 6 months? Delay new credit applications until after that's locked in. Step 6. Space out applications. If you're not in a rush, wait at least a few months between applications so each inquiry has time to fade in impact and your average account age doesn't take a big hit. Step 7. Read the terms for the sign-up bonus. Check the minimum spend required and the time frame. If it doesn't realistically match your normal spending, you may end up spending more than you should just to chase it. Now, the mistakes people make most often. Mistake 1. Applying right before a big loan. Mortgage, auto loan, even a lease, new credit activity right before a major application can cost you far more than any reward is worth. Mistake 2. Chasing the bonus and ignoring the fine print. A tempting bonus with a spending requirement you can't naturally hit means overspending just to qualify, which defeats the purpose entirely. Mistake 3. Applying for multiple cards at once. Multiple inquiries in a short window can look risky to lenders and stack up the impact on your score. Mistake 4. Ignoring the APR because I'll pay it off every month. Plans change. An unexpected expense can leave you carrying a balance on a card with a punishing interest rate you never bothered to check. Mistake 5. Not checking approval odds first. Applying blind and getting rejected still leaves a mark, with nothing to show for it. Here's your action plan, starting today. Before you apply for anything, check your current credit score and compare it honestly to what the card typically requires. Before you submit the application, read the APR, the annual fee, and the bonus requirements in full, not just the headline offer. Before you commit to timing, ask yourself if you have any major loan or lease coming up in the next 6 months. If yes, wait. Going forward, space out new applications, track your score over time, and only apply when a card genuinely fits your spending, not because an ad caught your eye. A credit card application takes 2 minutes to submit and can affect your finances for years. Take the 10 minutes to check first. Future you will thank you. If this helped, subscribe for more breakdowns like this and comment which card you're considering. I might cover it next.